Hi there, and welcome to my reggae strumming pattern video. In this video, we're just going to do a basic pattern, strumming upward like this. Now the guitar is tuned standard, and the chords we're using are B minor 7, E ninth, G, and F sharp minor 7. You can learn those chords by using my chord tutorial link that is provided in the video. The real essence of this strumming pattern is that it's strummed on the 2 and the 4 beat. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on your 2 and 4 beat, you're strumming upwards. 1, strum, 3, strum, 1, strum, 3, strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And pretty much, that's all there is to it. And that's it for this strumming pattern. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.